Bagga, there is relief for the BJP's Tajinder Bagga. The Punjab and Haryana High Court has stayed his arrest till the 10th of May and directed the Punjab government not to take any action against him until the next hearing. The BJP leader Tajinder Bagga had moved the Punjab and Haryana High Court against his arrest warrant earlier in the day. In a day of fast-paced developments in Punjab, Punjab's Mohali Court issued an arrest warrant against a non-bailable arrest warrant against the BJP's Tajinder Bagga, instructed the police to arrest him and produce him before court. Let's go across to my colleague Ghazali, who's monitoring the story. So Ghazali, lots of midnight developments. Bring us up to date. What happened in this hearing?
See, Tajinder Bagga's counsel, he said in his application that Bagga, the only intent of the prosecution is to arrest him and prejudice his liberties and to satisfy its political masters. So the Bagga's lawyer was said in the court that this entire FIR is not will not stand any legal scrutiny because it has been done due to political vindictiveness, and that the registration of FIR was to wreak vengeance through politically motivated criminal investigation by using the state machinery for the oblique motive of the political gain. So basically, the Bagga's lawyer said in the court in the hearing today that this entire case is politically motivated and it is for political vengeance, since Bagga had made statements or remarks against Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. And that is why the Punjab and Haryana High Court directed the state government not to take any coercive action against Mr. Bagga till the next date of hearing. And this is the stay on the arrest has been there, or as per the court order, it is still May 10th.
And Ghazali, what did the other side, what is the opposite side, the lawyer, what did they have to say?
The opposite side went ahead with the same plea which they had filed in the lower court, in the Mohali district court, after which the arrest warrant was issued, that Mr. Bagga's statement was there to promote enmity between two groups. It was provocative, and also how the two state police were trying to sort of shield him. So their charge or their argument was also the same, that it is politically motivated, the way state government or the party is trying to shield its spokesperson over all these provocative statements. But the court perhaps just went by the argument or was convinced by Bagga's lawyer or Mr. Anil Mehta, who was representing him, and gave a much sought relief for Bagga for no arrest till 10th of May.
All right, so Tajinder Bagga had sought a stay on his arrest warrants on 12 counts. So Ghazali, this really is a shot in the arm for Tajinder Bagga of the BJP.
Certainly a big relief, because in the last 72 hours, if you see the incidents which have unfolded, first an FIR was registered in the first week of April, then multiple notices were served to Mr. Bagga to join the investigation. He had even approached the High Court back then when the case was registered against him, and even then the police was asked to follow proper procedure to serve him the notice. Now, after serving notice, since Mr. Bagga didn't join the investigation, the Punjab police said that they were in their duty, they were within their legal rights to go and arrest him or to make him join the investigation, and that is why they had gone to Delhi to arrest him